All right, so let's take a look at question 39 from the 2024 Standard 2 paper. So here we're given a project involving a bunch of activities. We're given the diagram, which I've replicated here. We're also given a table with the earlier start times and the later start times for 3 of the activities, all times are in hours. We are asked for the critical path. So here they've told us about A, and it has a gap between its EST and its LST. They've also told us about C, and it has a gap between its earlier start time and its later start time. Now, if these are the only listed gaps in the table, the shortest path must be the other path. So for part A, the shortest path must be B to E to G to I, because either of the other paths, they have gaps in them, but BEGI doesn't. So that's part A. So part B, we're told the minimum time required for the project is 19 hours. What's the duration of I? Well, I has no time gap in it. Its earlier start is 12, its later start is 12. So if the project runs for 19 hours, you get to I, for this to be 19, and for it to start at 12, it must run for 7 hours. So I equals 7 hours, and this is part B. And for part C, we're told the duration of activity C is 3 hours. So this is 3 along here. What is the maximum amount of time that could occur between the start of activity F and the end of activity H? Well, if we think about this diagram, C has an EST of 0, so it could start at the beginning or it could start 1 hour late. So if it starts at the beginning, this whole path takes 12. But actually, it's got that 1 hour gap. So if it starts at the beginning, the whole process finishes in 11. So the maximum time that could occur between the start of activity and the end of H is 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. So for this question, when it asks us the maximum amount of time that could occur between the start of activity and the F and the end of activity H, it must be 8, because there's the 1 hour give on C, and the whole lower path can take as much as 12. That gives you this 8. So question 39 looks very complicated on the face of it, but actually the solutions are quite simple. This is slightly unusual for these directed path questions. Sometimes they're quite challenging, but this one definitely not too bad.